Hey guys, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious strawberry cheesecake chia pudding. It's kind of like a keto breakfast, a hot breakfast cereal. It is so good and creamy and delicious and so good. Okay, let's get started with this keto chia pudding. This is strawberry cheesecake flavored chia pudding. It is so good and just the perfect easy breakfast for meal prep. You can have it in your refrigerator, ready to go for the mornings. This makes 4 servings. I don't know if I already said that. Anyway, we're gonna get started. So I've got a little saucepan here, and I'm gonna put my burner on medium, and we've got 2 cups of unsweetened almond milk. And usually unsweetened almond milk is going to be like 1 carb at the most. It doesn't have any sweeteners in it. Of course, it's unsweetened. We're going to add 1/3 cup of powdered sweetener. This is Lakanto. You could use Swerve. We've got 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Even though this is a sweet recipe, we still put a little salt in there. We've got 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. So now we're going to add 1/2 cup of chia seeds. So what the chia seeds will do is they're going to plump up and thicken our chia pudding. That's what makes this nice and thick and like a cereal, like a warm hot cereal. So good. So because this is strawberry cheesecake, we're gonna add 4 ounces of cream cheese. I'm just gonna go ahead and add it in there so it can start to melt into our chia pudding. So we're just gonna let this cook for like 8 minutes or so over medium heat. You wanna continue to stir it occasionally just to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. Okay, our chia pudding is the perfect consistency. You can see how it's got that really good, looks like kind of like oatmeal consistency. So now I'm gonna stir in 1 cup of diced strawberries. Ooh, yummy, yummy. And that's exactly what you want right there. Okay, I'm gonna dish some of this out. This is 4 servings, so this ramekin here would probably be a good indication of 1 serving. I'm just gonna guesstimate, but look at how good and creamy that looks. So delicious, and let's make sure it's perfectly seasoned. That is perfect. So good, creamy from that cream cheese. It is so good. You guys are gonna love it. So be sure you check out this recipe. If you're on YouTube, click this box right here and it will take you to a video where I tell you all about my favorite keto-friendly sweeteners and the ones you should avoid. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.